नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप सब? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब सकुशल होंगे। Today we are going to see सोने का हिरन from बाल राम कथा. Okay? सोने का हिरन राम को कुटिया से बहुत दूर ले आया। राम ने उसे जीवित पकड़ने का विचार छोड़कर उसे बाण से मार दिया। राम ने उसका पीछा करते हुए उस पर निशाना साधा। See, you can see in the picture, सोने का हिरन राम को कुटिया से बहुत दूर ले आया। The golden deer brought Ram far away from the hut. राम ने उसे जीवित पकड़ने का विचार छोड़कर उसे बाण से मार दिया। So he left the idea of catching the deer alive and what he did? He attacked the deer with the arrow. राम ने उसका पीछा करते हुए उस पर निशाना साधा. Ram followed that and targeted that. Okay, so here he left the idea of catching the deer alive and he is going to kill that. बाण लगते ही वह अपने असली रूप में आ गया और चिल्लाकर बोला, हाँ सीते, हाँ लक्ष्मण, और वो थोड़ी देर में मर गया. So as soon as the arrow was fired, he came in his original form. Who is that? Marich, you know, right? Marich came to his original form from deer. Okay, and then he shouted, वो चिल्लाकर बोला. He shouted, hey Sita, hey Lakshman. So he is calling like Sita, Lakshman. और वह थोड़ी देर में मर गया and he died in some time. राम को समझते देर ना लगी कि क्यों हिरन उन्हें जानबूझकर कुटिया से दूर ले आया. So Ram didn't take long time to understand why the deer had deliberately brought him away from the hut. लक्ष्मण समझ गए कि यह कोई चाल है. Even Lakshman understood that this was a trick. परंतु सीता घबरा गई और उसने लक्ष्मण को भाई की सहायता के लिए जाने के लिए कहा. But Sita was terrified and asked Lakshmana to go for brother's help. लक्ष्मण ने सीता को समझाना चाहा कि यह राक्षसों की चाल है. Lakshman tried to convince Sita that this was a trick of the demons. Okay, here after hearing the call, chillana, so by hearing that, Lakshman understood this is a trick of demons, and also Ram understood the trick of the demons that he brought away from the hut. And also what is happening, but Sita, she is not understanding that and she got frightened and she is asking Lakshman to go to help Ram. रावण अपनी चाल की सफलता पर प्रसन्न था कि वह अब सीता का हरण कर सकेगा और सीता हरण के साथ ही राम निशक्त हो जाएंगे. Now Ravana was very happy. Ravana was pleased at the success of his trick that he would now be able to abduct Sita. He can abduct Sita and Rama would become uncapable, okay, along with Sita's abduction. Okay, he will be less powerful without Sita. सीता और लक्ष्मण ने मायावी हिरण की पुकार सुन ली थी. Sita and Lakshman heard the call of the deer. परंतु सीता लक्ष्मण को बुरा भला कहने लगी. लक्ष्मण सीता की इन बातों को सिर झुकाकर सुनते रहे. But Sita started to abusing Lakshmana. Okay, she thought that he is also want Ram to die and Lakshman and his brother wants to get the kingdom. That is why he is not going to help Ram. Like that Sita thought and she started to abuse Lakshman. He is saying अनाप शनाप. Okay. लक्ष्मण सीता की इन बातों को सिर झुकाकर सुनते रहे. He was keep listening to these things of Sita. Lakshman was keep listening these things, whatever Sita says. सीता का क्रोध और बढ़ गया था. वह अपने प्राण देने के लिए तैयार हो गई. Sita's anger increased and she agreed to give her life. Okay, if you are not going to help Rama, I will leave my life now. तब लक्ष्मण राम की आज्ञा का उल्लंघन कर सीता को प्रणाम कर राम की खोज में चल पड़े. So when Sita is ready to give her life, so hereafter he cannot do anything. Okay, so that is why the Lakshman disobeyed Ram's order. What is Ram's order? He has to safeguard Sita till Ram's arrival. So he is disobeying this order of Ram and vowed to Sita, and he went in search of Ram. लक्ष्मण के जाते ही रावण साधु का वेश रखकर आ पहुंचा. So as soon as Lakshman left, Ravana arrived in the gesture of a sage. Okay, he is changing his gesture and he is coming as a sage. उसने चल कपट से सीता का हरण कर लिया. He kidnapped Sita by some tricks. सीता स्वयं को असहाय पाकर विलाप करने लगी. So seeing herself helpless, Sita started to worried about herself. रावण का रथ लंका की ओर बढ़ चला. Ravan's chariot moved towards लंका. मार्ग में वे पशुओं, पक्षियों, पर्वतों को कहती जा रही थी कि कोई राम को बता दें कि रावण ने उनका हरण कर लिया है. On the way, she was telling to the animals, पशुओं, पक्षियों, पर्वतों, पक्षियों, birds, पर्वतों means mountains, that someone kidnapped her. Okay, someone should tell Ram that Ravana has kidnapped her. Okay, so she is asking all these things. Okay, पशुओं, पक्षियों, पर्वतों से पूछती है वो. She is asking the help from them to inform Ram about her abduction. जटायु ने सीता का विलाप सुनकर रथ को क्षत विक्षत कर दिया. वह रावण को घायल भी कर दिया. जटायु नाम की एक पक्षी आई और उसने सीता की ये सारी बात सुन ली. जटायु hearing Sita's all these matter and he damaged the chariot and injured even Ravana. घायल कर दिया. Ravan got injured by जटायु. क्रोध में रावण ने जटायु के पंख काट दिए. What he did? In anger, Ravan cut off Jatayu's wing. You can see here. He is cutting off the wings of Jatayu. सीता ने अपने आभूषण उतारकर फेंकना प्रारंभ कर दिया ताकि उनके मार्ग का पता चल सके. So now even Jatayu can't help Sita, that he was keep going. Ravana was keep going. So what she did, Sita took off her jewels and started throwing it so that her path could be known. So someone can identify her path, in which way she went. Okay, for that what she is doing, she took off her jewelry and started to throwing them one by one. रावण सीता को सीधे अपने महल में ले गया. रावण took Sita straight to his palace. सीता को राक्षसियों की निगरानी में छोड़कर उसने कहा कि मैं तुम्हें 1 वर्ष का समय देता हूं. Leaving Sita under the watch of demons, he said that I will give you 1 year time. निर्णय कर लो कि मेरी रानी बनोगी या सारा जीवन रोती रहोगी. Decide whether you will be my queen or will you cry all your life. सीता राम का गुणगान करती रही. Sita kept praising Ram. So he took Sita to her palace and he is giving 1 year time and he is asking her to accept him. Okay, be my queen or else you have to cry all your life. But Sita is kept praising Ram. राम की प्रशंसा सुनकर तथा कर दूषण की मृत्यु को स्मरण कर रावण को लगा कि राम अवश्य ही शक्तिशाली होगा. So hearing the praise of Rama and remembering the death of Kar Dushan, Ravana felt that Rama must be a very powerful person. राम की गतिविधियों पर नजर रखने के लिए उसने अपने 8 बलिष्ठ राक्षसों को पंचवटी भेज दिया. So what he did, he realized Ram must be a very powerful person, so that he sent his 8 mighty demons. Okay, 8 बलिष्ठ राक्षसों को पंचवटी भेज दिया. 8 mighty demons to Panchavati to keep an eye on the activities of Rama. What all he is doing, what all the try he is doing for getting Sita back. रावण ने सीता को अशोक वाटिका में बंदी बना लिया. Ravana imprisoned Sita in Ashok Vatika. That is also a place. Ashok Vatika. It's a garden. Vatika means garden. So there he made Sita as a prisoner. Okay. Now Sita is a prisoner in Ashok Vatika. सीता बार बार राम का नाम लेकर डरी सहमी रो रो कर दिन काट रही थी. Sita was spending the day crying and weeping in fear by repeatedly saying the name of Ram. So now, where is Sita? Sita is in Ashok Vatika. There are some hard words. We will see the meaning of these words. Chakaya, tang karna, that is to tease. Pran bekaru udna, mar jana, that is die, means die. Nishakt, kamzor, very weak. Chaukasi, hoshyar, very clever. Kalushit, apavitra, polluted or unholy, you can say. Hridaya, chalni hona, bahut dukhi hona, to be very sad. Sumukhi, sundar mukh wali, beautiful face. Lankatipati, Lanka ka Raja Ravan, king of Lanka, Ravan, is called Lankatipati. Sarvanash, sab kuch nasht hona, that is destroyed, everything is destroyed. Chat vikshat, gaon se bhara, injured, full of wound. Antahpur, महल में स्त्रियों के रहने वाला स्थान. Antapur is the place of women's residence in the palace. Okay. Arthheen, bekar, meaningless or useless. Balisht, balwan, strong. I hope you understood the story of Sone Ka Hiran. Yes, you have to read the whole story in the textbook. Then you will be understanding very well. Okay. धन्यवाद बच्चों.